Amazingly, a lot of Republicans think the best way to compete with China is to act like China. Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead, where you get the insights you need to better navigate these turbulent times. Congress is rushing through this week a $280 billion boondoggle that will allegedly make the U.S. more technologically competitive with China, especially in the area of boosting semiconductor production in the U.S. It will actually do the opposite. Getting Washington politicians involved in any business, especially advanced technology, is always a bad and counterproductive idea. The bill shovels out $52 billion in cash subsidies and another $24 billion in tax credits for chip manufacturers. There's $200 billion more to boost government-backed scientific research and create all sorts of partnerships with private entities to goose up our high-tech prowess. This is the kind of legislation one would expect in Beijing. Don't trust free markets. Get government bureaucracies to direct high-tech development. Yet Republicans, especially in the Senate, who never tire babbling about free markets and wasteful government spending, are big-time enablers in rushing this legislation to President Biden's desk. The power of pork spending is trumping free market principles. The semiconductor industry is profitable. Shortages are being eased. Companies are making massive investments in the U.S., including a multi-billion-dollar facility rising up in Arizona from the world's most advanced chip maker, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Intel is a big proponent of this government largesse, even though the company is profitable and is sitting on $38 billion in cash. Intel and other subsidy-loving chip makers don't grasp that cash from Uncle Sam comes with rather stringent strings attached. Senate Democrat Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, for instance, has not made it a secret of how nice it would be for some of this boodle to go to upstate New York. Democrats like Senator Elizabeth Warren and Representatives Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Maxine Waters will delve into Intel hiring practices, the makeup of its board of directors, and all aspects of its corporate governance procedures. Why in the world would Republicans think that high-tech innovation and development would benefit from often heavy-handed bureaucratic interference, a situation where immediate political considerations are invariably triumphant, where free market feedback is short-circuited? Has the GOP forgotten Solyndra, an Obama-era solar company that went bust after receiving $535 million in government loan guarantees? The bill removes mammoth amounts of money from American taxpayers and has the Washington politicians make politically tainted decisions on how to spend it. If government was so wise, why did the Soviet Union collapse? Why is the once rocketing Chinese economy in trouble? I'm Steve Forbes. Thanks for listening. Do send in your comments and suggestions. I look forward to being with you soon again.